Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155, Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Ka jela Meghalaya ka balapan kriya na kabanta ban pelong ya ka election jien nong mikman sya ka ying dorbar tauan ka ban salong shen ka Sorkar jela ka lapan jirap na ka Sorkar pedeng ban pha adu shispa khat khandai tali ki Kynhun Pulit Pahara khanang ban pentikena ba ka jing pelong ya ka election ka long ka bayat Beit ya rinti kidon hadu news pa tali ki polling station ya ki ba kham tolot kat ba rice pa tali ki ba don jingma Haka jiagran bakilat patai kubor u Chief Electoral Officer jong kejela uba FR Karkongor ulai tu uba kejing penkre ya ke election haka ni kejela kalaya chakmat ban nakaliang jong Sorkar kala paru da kejing tho shaka Ministry of Home Affairs haka baidei bat kejing pan ki bor Pahara.
In terms of the CAPF, we had projected a requirement of 119 CAPF companies comprising of BSF and CRPF and other central paramilitary forces. So against this projected requirement, the Election Commission and the Ministry of Home has been kind enough to deploy 40 companies here with us. So 30 companies have come in the first batch initially, and then another 10 also we've just received information. So these 40 will be there for area dominance, and we are expecting that the remaining companies will also be coming close to the poll date. And also the various DCs and the SPs have also been having coordination meetings with their counterparts in Assam also. And there has been DC and SP meetings throughout the month of December. All the districts which were having borders with Assam have already held meetings. And I also believe that the state government from Chief Secretary and DGP will also be having meetings with their counterpart Assam Chief Secretary and DGP, either through face-to-face mode or through VC mode. So they'll be having a meeting in that respect as well.